Hello, Chima. How are you? Have you people opened shop? Hope you have given Chima that 100,000 to go and put in my bank account. Okay. I don't want to hear story. Make sure that you calculate that goods that is in my warehouse. Arrange everything very, very well. Man. Yes, I'm going for a meeting now. But before 1 o'clock, I will join you people in the market. Hope you watch that in my car, in my garage. That one I will use and go to meeting. Make sure you watch it very, very well. Before I come back. Wait, let me call you back. Yeah, you mama.
You're not looking bad though.
Hey.
You're not looking bad.
But I did not know you people.
Hey, Chief, you don't need to know us now. I need to know her.
This one you follow that. Okay, you like my dressing?
Yes, like your dress. I mean, you don't like her.
I like your own. They call me Chief Umewan, Umemboji.
Chief.
Yeah, you are touching my baby. See, that place you don't have sense. So how can I help you?
Chief, we go island. There's no money. Like 20 kg. Any amount.
Okay, you people are going to Ireland.
Yes.
And you did not have transport.
Yes.
Oh my God. Normally, I did not give people cash because I know what I passed through in China to offload container. But I like what I'm saying.
I know you like her.
I will transfer 1 million naira to you. And I will transfer 1 million naira to you.
One.
Yes, one. Oh,
Any other one is a counterfeit.
Counterfeit. Hey, so
your account number
for me.
26.
I'm coming. Let me open my app.
Okay, Chief.
Oh, yeah.
You go give her your order.
Call it.
26, 54, 84, 90, 10. Okay, Chief. Now my name, Chief, let me see. Okay, yes. Now me be that. Yes, now me be that, Chief.
We get a lot now.
Okay.
Check it.
Yeah. You don't have that, Chief.
Don't mention. Oh, yeah, got the account number.
22 11 05 12. Okay. You blind me go fast.
Gift.
Oh,
Gift.
Yeah.
Don't mention.
Chief.
Have you received it?
Thank
You know what will happen? Oh, you people will hop in. Let me go and treat you people well.
Where?
Hop in.
Oh, don't worry, Chief. We dey go that place. They don't wait for us.
I even get my period. Say, I know.
Chief, we go see you later. We go see you.
What just happen here? This thing is like a film.
It's not you.
1 million naira, 1 million naira, just like that.
You think say they're wise?
Chief Ume, 2 million naira that I will use and start a foundation, just go like that. These two ladies must be a Jezebel of darkness.
I got the advice.
I have come that I will not chase woman again. But to those women I have what I like. I will not blame myself. Don't worry.
Sorry. We must learn a lesson.